Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss reflection areas on the foot. You can see here in the figure the sole of the foot. On the blue side, the frontal sinuses, the eyes, the head and neck lymph, the trigeminal, the head and neck lymph, ears, the pituitary, the mouth and cavity and tongue, the blood pressure point, the lungs and the bronchus, trapezius, the adrenal gland, the liver, the underarms, armpit, gallbladder, kidneys, the parathyroid gland, the neck, the esophagus, the thyroid, the transverse colon, the ascending colon, the stomach, pancreas, duodenum, solar plexus, ureter, and bladder, the gonad, the insomnia point, here we can see the foot dorsum, the upper body lymph gland, the thoracic, the scapular region, or thoracic diaphragm, the ribs, the point of waist sprain, the chest, the inner ear labyrinth, the throat and bronchus, the thoracic lymph gland, the tonsil, the upper jaw and the lower jaw. We go next on the lateral side of the foot. You can see the upper body lymph gland, the hip joints, the lower abdomen, the external coccyx, the testicles or ovaries, the knee joint, the elbow joint, the shoulder joint, let's now go to medial side of the foot. We can see the rectum and anus area, the lower body lymph, the hip joint and cervix of the uterus, the urethra, the vagina and penis, the internal coccyx, the prostate and uterus, the sacrum, the groin, the pelvic lymph, the lumbar vertebra, the sternal vertebra, and the cervical vertebra. Thank you for your attention.